Will you cut it out?
Just cut it out, okay?
What does cut it out mean? Have you ever heard someone say, cut it out? Well, cut it out is an informal expression that means stop doing that. We usually use it when someone is doing something annoying, irritating, or inappropriate, and we want them to stop. For example, stop making that noise, cut it out, or you two are always arguing, cut it out. It can also be used in a playful way between friends. For example, hey, cut it out, you're making me laugh. Here are a few more examples. Cut it out, you're bothering me. Come on, guys, cut it out and behave yourselves. Stop teasing your brother. Cut it out. So whenever you hear cut it out, remember, it basically means stop it. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to learn more everyday English expressions, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.
Oh, man.
So just cut it out, please.
Well, you're not helping, you're patronizing me, so cut it out, okay?